Welcome to a beautiful journey into the world of crochet fashion, where creativity meets elegance and every stitch tells a story. In today's collection, we're exploring some of the most stunning and attractive crochet blouse designs that are perfect for adding a touch of charm and uniqueness to your wardrobe. Whether you love classic styles or modern trends, these designs will definitely inspire your next outfit or project. As you watch, you'll notice how each blouse carries its own personality. Some designs are delicate and feminine, featuring soft patterns and lightweight textures that are perfect for warm weather. Others are bold and eye-catching, with intricate stitches and creative patterns that stand out effortlessly. Crochet blouses are not just clothing, they are art. The beauty of crochet lies in the detail. From floral motifs to geometric patterns, every piece showcases the patience and skill behind handmade fashion. You'll see designs with open-work patterns that create a breathable and airy feel, perfect for casual days or beach outings. Moving through the collection, take a look at how different necklines transform the overall look. From elegant off-shoulder styles to chic high-neck designs, each blouse offers a unique vibe. Some are perfect for a relaxed, everyday look, while others can easily be styled for special occasions. Color also plays a huge role in these designs. Soft pastel shades bring out a gentle, romantic feel, while bold and vibrant colors make a powerful fashion statement. Neutral tones, on the other hand, give a timeless and versatile look that can be paired with almost anything. Another thing to notice is the versatility of crochet blouses. They can be styled in so many ways, paired with jeans for a casual outfit, matched with skirts for a more feminine look, or even layered over dresses for a trendy twist. These pieces are perfect for anyone who loves mixing comfort with style. As the images continue, pay attention to the sleeve designs. From sleeveless tops to long, flowing sleeves, each style adds its own touch of elegance. Some sleeves are simple and minimal, while others are detailed and dramatic, making the blouse the centerpiece of the outfit. What makes crochet truly special is its handmade feel. Even in modern fashion, crochet maintains that warm, personal touch that machine-made clothing often lacks. It's a reminder of tradition, creativity, and the beauty of handcrafted design. If you're someone who loves fashion that stands out, crochet blouses are definitely a must-have. They are stylish, breathable, and perfect for different seasons and occasions. As we come to the end of this collection, I hope you found inspiration in these beautiful designs. Let these designs spark your creativity and help you express your unique style with confidence and elegance. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to explore more amazing crochet ideas and designs.